biomolecules, carbohydrates. So my dear student, today we shall take up carbohydrate, and as you know that it is classified into simple carbohydrate and complex carbohydrate. So first of all we take up the simple carbohydrate. So let us talk about the characteristic. The first point is it is also known as simple sugars or monosaccharides. Clear? And it has because it has a low molecular weight, very less than 900 daptone. Then it is called simple. The third point is it is highly soluble in water and sweet in taste. Okay? And basic unit of carbohydrate and the basic molecular formula is CnH2n ON or CH2O whole bracket N is the basic molecular formula of carbohydrate. Now the last point is it cannot be hydrolyzed further into smaller subunits. See it clear? Now let us give some examples of simple sugar or monosaccharides. So glucose, it is also known as dextrose, your blood sugar, fructose, it is also known as glucose, and galactose, ribose, and deoxyribose. It is it is found in nucleic acid. Now, importance of in life process, the basic source of energy of living organism, and because it has got the calorific value of carbohydrate is 4.1 kilocalorie per gram. Okay. Other importance is pentose sugar, yani 5-carbon sugar, is an important constituent of RNA or DNA or the, as I told you, nucleic acid, ribose and pentose sugar. Now, monosaccharides are metabolically transferred into fats, amino acids and glycogen in liver. And last but not the least, glucose, yani C6H12O6, is a main product of photosynthesis and it is also a main substrate of respiration. So this is all about the simple carbohydrate. Not let us talk about the complex carbohydrate. So let us talk about the characteristics. The first one is organic compounds made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, where the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen is 2:1, as in case of water. The second point is complex carbohydrates are made up of 2 or more monosaccharides unit, and accordingly there are 3 types of complex carbohydrate: disaccharide, oligosaccharide, and polysaccharide. And then we come to the disaccharide. It is a carbohydrate with 2 monosaccharide units having basic molecular formula of CnH2O whole bracket N-1. Yani when the 2 monosaccharides are combined, a molecule, water molecule is released. That's why it is N-1. Example is sucrose, lactose and maltose. We now come to the oligosaccharide, carbohydrate with 3 to 9 monosaccharide. And example is raffinose is best example where it is consists of 3 monosaccharide: glucose, fructose and galactose. Now come to the polysaccharides, carbohydrate with more than 10 monosaccharide units forming a chain of with glycosidic bond is known as polysaccharide. Generally, it is insoluble in water and it is not sweet to taste. So example is starch and cellulose are found in plant cell, and cellulose is the main constituent of cell wall, plant cell. Now the glycogen is also polysaccharide and is found in animal cells, and the chitin is also found in exoskeleton of insect and the fungal cell wall. Now let us talk about the importance of life process. The first one is the disaccharides are sweet in taste and source of energy. Disaccharide means simple one, double two monosaccharide, sucrose, lactose, and they are more or less soluble in water and sweet in taste, source of energy. And the second one is starch is a reserve food material of cereals, rice, maize, wheat, and used in our daily life. We can leave it, and potato also starch is there. And cellulose of plant cell act as a roughage in digestion because it helps in the bowel movement although it is not digested fully, but it is present is must because it helps the digestion so that the constipation doesn't occur. So glycogen act as a reserve food of animal and liver cell and muscle also. Glycogen is there. And last but not the least, deficiency of carbohydrate cause hypoglycemia and ketosis. About hypoglycemia is a big topic. We study separately. So deficiency of carbohydrate leads to the development of hypoglycemia, any low sugar in blood sugar and ketosis. That's all. With this we finish the simple and complex carbohydrates. Next time we shall inshallah we shall take the protein. That's all.